Once upon a time, there was a little girl. She went to school, and there was a guy that sounded like, excuse me, he sounded like me. The guy said to the little girl, "Hey, you, come here." The little girl replied, "What?"